Budget of the century. This is how Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has described the budget for the financial year 2021-22, which will be presented tomorrow, that is on February 1st. Nirmala Sitharaman will begin budget presentation at 11 a.m. The budget may offer more stimulus packages to various sectors of the economy still reeling under the after effects of COVID pandemic. Earlier this week, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that the Union budget for financial year 22 will be seen as a continuation of the string of economic packages that the Finance Minister had to announce in the last few months. The last budget 2020-21 was irrelevant because of the COVID crisis. Subsequently, Nirmala had to present a series of mini budgets at press conferences in support of Prime Minister Atmanirbhar Bharat as stimulus packages. The new budget will be a continuation of that. Self-sufficiency, manufacturing, export hub, more jobs, infrastructure development, huge domestic investment, welfare schemes, and so on. The budget will be aiming to boost the country's economy through a single economic vaccination. In defense sector, more money may be allocated for defense. Emphasis will be on domestic arms production, research and development. The budget allocation for the health sector is 1% of GDP, which is below the global average. The share may be increased to 5%. This time, many benefits can be expected to attract more women into the workforce. In the last budget, a personal income tax exemption of Rs 1.5 lakh was given for a home loan of up to Rs 3.5 lakh in order to give a boost to real estate. Discounts will be available this year as well. Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana will be revived. At present, those earning up to Rs 5 lakh per annum do not have to pay income tax. The slabs may not be modified, and this time more benefits can be expected from rules like ATC. More concessions may be given to senior citizens. The cost of COVID treatment may also be brought under income tax deduction. In bank sector, more capital assistance will be given to public sector banks, and for railways, the budget will lay emphasis on modernization, privatization and private trains. Education sector will get a boost as there will be move to make India an education hub. Foreign universities will be attracted to the country and education will go high-tech. Importance will be given to employment guarantee scheme as well. News Desk, Kaumudy English.